Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change language in GoToMeeting. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in GoToMeeting, and now just left click on a profile and go to my profile, right? And when you're gonna have it, you're gonna be here and you're gonna see preferred language and you're gonna see English. So what you want to do is just click on it and just, I don't know, choose from the languages that you got here. You can go with German, French, Italian, Japanese, Korean. Like, it's like really up to you. So this is like pretty much it. And if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. So have a great day and goodbye.